Hello， 大家好。The song Happy Birthday is super easy to sing in Chinese, simply because the melody is the same as in English, and the lyrics are only one sentence. The only lyrics are 祝你生日快乐。祝 means to wish, 你 means you, 生日 is birthday, 快乐 means happy. 祝你生日快乐。Now let's repeat 祝你生日快乐 5 times. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Let's sing it slowly first.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Now at normal speed.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
好，谢谢大家，再见。